Jesus.
I love how you take it open anyway. You're so diligent with it. You're so patient.
And the ribs.
I can't wait to see what this one is anyway. Apparently you can wait because you're moving like a little...
No, I swear to you. There. Why is it double wrapped?
Maybe to keep the resin from getting sun on it.
Get my ball.
Which one is it?
Now they're wrapped.
Well, yeah. I need to have you again so I can raise you again.
I don't know what that is.
Is he? Oh, that's just a little light that it comes with.
Sure.
Baby.
Oh, shit. Come.
Ooh, so cute. Oh my gosh.
But another one of these. Oh, it's the Krispy Kreme box.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's a bag.
It's a little bag of minis.
It's so cute. God, you knocked over my freaking owl. It's not fine. He dropped his lollipop. Yes.
Nah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's one singular donut.
What? For the people.
Jesus, how do you get it out?
Oh, it's one of those cream-filled ones.
Boston cream.
Wow. Only one though? No way.
Yeah,
is there anything else in the? Is there?
It should have been donut holes.
There's something else in there. It's gotta be.
Nah, it's just the box, Mom.
Open it.
You can feel it.
Open it.
My hands are way too big for all this. I don't think it opened.
That would be the corniest thing in all the world.
It dead ass doesn't open. You try. It doesn't open.
Come on, who has a box with one donut? It's like a burger.
Hold on.
So I guess it.
Oh, we have the drink,
that's
though.
The drink, though. That's what goes in the drink.
This
Yes.
is the whipped cream. So what? You're supposed to spray this?
It's not whipped cream.
Should
It's
we open
resin. No, it's the. I don't know which one's the drink and which one's the glaze. I think that's the drink, and this is the one that goes on top of
Well, it
this.
literally says whipped cream.
Whipped cream.
What is this one though?
Oh, that's the drink.
So it's that weird drink.
Yeah. What is this for? I guess to hold it in case you don't want to get your hands dirty if you're a little wussy. I don't know.
It has a switch.
Yeah. Here's it. It bakes how you make resin. Hard. It's soft, like it comes in here. See, it's soft. It bakes it.
Oh, that is the resin switch because it's blinding me. Oh my god, it doesn't actually know.
Oh, so it's chocolate glaze that comes in one of them.
No. Seal that. Come on.
Look, donut makes it a spider body. Spider body.
I can't open this.
Sure you can.
I did it.
Try again.
Oh my god, it's double shield.
No, it's not. Okay, well that's enough. Put a lid on it because we gotta save some because we got Cool Whip and we gotta put some of this chocolate on the donut.
When the shadows grow, even when it's all so cold, feed the fire for you to mold. You'll be just fine, 'cause you've got you.
Hey, Bully, you want some of this mac and cheese?
No, thank you.